Okay, so today we are going to learn how to take photos from Google Earth through InfraView and how to make it into the 3D model with the help of Agisoft. We can create a path. First, search the location that you want. Like you can see around here, I already had a path which I drew over the Vatican City. But if you want to make a new path from the right hand side on the top menu, you could just add the path and create the path. Yep, something like this. You could create the path however you want, like in the square or circular, from where you want the camera to take the photos. Here you could actually change the path where it goes if um, like this from the edit menu. Like if you make the height of the path above the buildings, it would take the photos from that location. And when we run the play, you could then add the infra view. Once you open the infra view, go to the options and capture. Click on the capture. This dialog box would appear. From here you could choose at what seconds you want your captures and how many, choose the locations also, and also the area, like what you want to capture. Now we are going to open the Agisoft. Here I am just, if you right click on the photos option, you could actually include the photos, whichever the photos that InfraView captured. Yep, something like this. It would upload, and then once you select all photos, right click, and you can make the mesh. Click on the model and click on creating the mesh. This would create the mesh with the help of the photos that we uploaded. I already had the model in the Agisoft before that. Um, it it depends on the photos, how many photos you have. I had like 80 or something photos. It took more than few minutes, but if you have less photos, it won't take that much. If you have more, then it's gonna take few minutes to few hours depending on the computer you are using. This is the quality that I got when I used like 80 around photos. Yeah, so you could even change it to 3D mesh or the wireframe. You could see that it does have some quality. And once you are satisfied with the model, you could export it as the OBJ file or Autodesk FBX file to convert it to 3ds Max or any other software. Thank you for watching.